English with Monica.
Disney's clothes. Disney's clothes. This is a shirt. A shirt can have long or short sleeves. Long or short. These are pants. These are shorts. You wear pants and shorts on your legs. This is a dress. Dresses can be long or short, plain or fancy, long or short. This is a coat. A coat goes over your other clothes. These are shoes. You wear shoes on your feet. This is a hat. You wear a hat on your head. These are bathing suits. You wear a bathing suit to go swimming. These are pajamas. You wear pajamas to bed. Minnie is all dressed and ready to go. Can you name the pieces of clothing Minnie is wearing? Bow, scarf, coat, dress, shoes. The end.